Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi, and if you're new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back guys. You are the best. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this crochet bob wig and how I installed the wig. So guys, let's get into the tutorial. I have already sewn my Swissless on my wig cap, so right here I'm just outlining the ends of the wig cap so that it will be my hairline, where my hairline is going to be. I do have other tutorials on how to sew the lace on the wig cap. So yeah, this is how it's looking. I just cut off the wig cap underneath the lace. So right here guys, this is ultra braids guys. I lost the package on this braid, but it's ultra braids color green. I will insert a picture of how the package looks like right here on the screen. So right here I've already ventilated one side of my closure, and I'm just going to show you on the other side how I did it. So right here I'm picking 2 strands of hair and skipping one hole. I know it's not that clear because the color is clashing with the lighting. So I'm ventilating one row and skipping one row, ventilating one row and skipping one row in a horizontal pattern. After I finish one line, I'm going to the second line, and I'm going to be ventilating in front of the row that I skipped in the previous line, in front of the row that I skipped in the previous line. So I'm going to link other tutorials in the description where I was using black hair, so that you can see the holes clearly and you can see what I was doing clearly. So I'm going to link those tutorials in the description. Do go and check them out after watching this tutorial. So this is the pattern that I'm going to be using, and I will be using another pattern at the front. So guys, keep watching and you'll see that other pattern, which is so much faster than this one.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long.
So for my parting, I just skipped one line for my parting. Don't skip 2 or 3, just skip one vertical line for your parting. So right here at the front, this is the other method that I was talking about. I'm going to be ventilating in a vertical pattern. So focusing on one vertical line, I'm going to ventilate one tiny horizontal line and skip one tiny horizontal line guys. On your vertical line, there are small horizontal lines that make a box. So ventilate one of those tiny horizontal line and skip one, and then ventilate the third one and skip one, going on like that until you reach your hairline. And on the hairline, I'm just mixing 2 and 1 strand of hair because this hair is so thin, so the knots won't be too visible if you pick like 2 strands. Throughout the entire closure I was just picking 2 strands of hair, but at the hairline I was mixing 1 and 2. So right here on this section right here at the front, I'm going to be using this method to ventilate guys. This method is so much faster than the first one. And also when you are done ventilating, there won't be any need for you to pluck the hair because it will be looking natural already. So that's the method that I'm going to be using here. Ventilate one vertical line and skip one vertical line, and on the vertical line that you'll be ventilating one tiny horizontal line and skipping one tiny horizontal line, going on like that guys. So this is the portion that I'm going to be ventilating from here to here. This is the portion that I'm going to be doing this pattern, and from that part going on to the front, that small part, I'm going to continue with the pattern that I was using from the back going on to cover this part right here. So yeah guys, if you don't understand any of this guys, do ask me in the comment section. I'll answer your question right there. And I'm also going to be linking my other hair ventilation tutorials in the description so that you can get a better understanding. Here at the parting, I did a little bit of a widow's peak, just a little bit, so that the hairline will look natural. So I'm just removing the white paper underneath that I was using right here to see the hose. So this is how the closure is looking like, guys. So I'm just going to tie the hair and put it out of the way, and then we're going to start the crocheting process at the back. So you can use the tiny crochet hook or the bigger one. My crochet the smaller one is broken, so I'm just going to use the bigger one. You can use it like that, but it will be slower, so I'm going to be using the bigger one because it has a holder with it, and it will be easy for me to work with. So just put your crochet right there and pass it through your wig cap. Put your hair close the latch and pull it through like that. Then put your fingers on the loop, then pass your hair through the loop, guys. Just as simple as that. So I'm going to be using my finger to give like the distance between each crochet. I was using my finger for the gaps right there. So just pass your crochet through your wig cap, put your hair on the latch, close the hook, then pull it through like that. Then put your fingers on the loop, then take your hair, pass it through, then pull it through the loop like that, guys. So this is the method that I was using. And also for the spacing, after I do one line, I was spacing like an inch. Then when I got like to the top part, I was I reduced the spacing that I was doing at the back. I reduced it at the front so that my wig will be covered, there won't be any gaps showing, guys. So this is it, guys. This is how the crochets are looking like, yeah, guys. So if you have any question, you can also ask in the comment section. This is how the hair is looking like, guys. This is how it's looking. So after that, I'm not going to dip my hair in hot water. I'm going to blow dry it on a high heat, guys. I was so shocked with this hair, guys. Like it didn't burn, like the blow dry was on high heat and nothing happened to it. So right here I'm applying my coconut hair food to the hair so that it can be soft, shiny, and it will lay really well. So just continue to blow dry the hair on high heat, yeah, guys, like that, guys. This hair, guys, I'm going to use it for something else. And I did try to curl it using my curling tong, and guys, the curls were so beautiful. Like I just did a sample. So I'm also going to be doing a crochet wig, like a curly crochet wig using a hot tong, guys. This hair, you should buy this hair, guys. You should buy this hair. Like I really liked it. There's no need to put it in hot water for it to be soft, guys, and it doesn't, like, it's heat resistant. I liked it, guys. So right here I'm just cutting off the hair, and the length that I did, it was too long. So when I tried the hair on, I decided to cut it a little bit more. So because I was going for a shorter bob look, so I had to cut it, trim the hair like that, guys. Like at the first I used the scissors, then I went ahead with my clipper. So after that, I'm just going to use my flat iron to curl the ends, like for them to have like a bob. So guys, my flat iron, it doesn't have, like, you can't reduce the heat on it, so it just have a button for on and off. And guys, it was on through the entire process, and the hair didn't burn. Nothing happened to this hair, guys. Nothing happened. Like, I'm so impressed with this hair, guys. I'm so impressed. Like I'm going to insert a picture. Like I said, I'm going to insert a picture of the hair, and I'm going to be using this hair again on this channel, guys. I loved this hair so much. So right here I'm just cutting off the excess lace at the front, and I'm using my eyebrow razor so that it will have that zigzag look. I don't want it to be straight. I want it to look more natural. If you use the eyebrow razor, your lace will look natural right there at the front. It won't be like, you won't see where the wig is, like the lace where it is. So this is how the wig is looking like inside, and I'm just going to apply my foundation that matches my skin tone on the lace and also on my wig cap. So right here I'm just going to wear my wig, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's looking like scalp, like, guys. So right here I'm just going to take out the hair that I want to use on my baby hairs. I'm just going to do two on this side. So just use your scissors to cut off the hairs, and I'm using my olive oil mousse to lay down my baby hairs, guys. Yeah, so after applying the mousse, I'm just going to use a brush to do the baby hairs like that, 2 scoops on the sides, guys. I really loved these baby hairs. So after doing this, I'm going to be using my glamour spray, lace wig spray. I'm going to spray on the lace and also on the baby hair so that it can melt into my skin, guys. So for the melting process, I'm going to be using my DIY elastic band that I made, guys. I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make your very own, guys, using an elastic band and some velcro. So watch out for that tutorial, guys. So after that, I just waited for about 5 minutes while my headband was there, guys. And guys, look at how the lace is melted. Where is the lace, guys? Where is the lace, guys? So after that, I'm just going to use my flat iron to curl the bob again, guys, so that it can take shape. Yeah, and guys, this is the final look. I'm in love with this wig, guys. Do let me know what you think about this wig. So I'm also going to show you another way to style your crocheted bob wig, guys. So keep watching, guys. This is the other style right here on the other side. So I'm going to show you how I did. I just make sure that the hair is flat right here at the front, and I just put my bobby pin right there, as you can see. Then I'm going to take a smaller portion of hair that is going to be my side bangs right here on the sides. Then the rest of the hair, I'm going to comb it going backwards, guys, like that, going all the way to the back. Then the hair that is going to be at the front is just going to be these side bangs that is going to be at the front. So yeah, this is how I did the other style that you can style your T closure bob crocheted wig, guys. Look at that, guys. I love this wig. I love this color on me. Do let me know what you think about this wig, guys. Are you also going to try your very own? And guys, I'm definitely going to be trying this outro braiding here again. I love it, guys. So if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. I love you.